The elders of the Nation of Islam appear to be the first of the Black liberation movement to popularize the history of YAKUB. We find many variations of this story taught in Black consciousness. According to the Honorable Elijah Muhammad, YAKUB was an ancient scientist who lived approximately 6,600 BC. Originally from the area that is today referred to as the Middle East, YAKUB was believed to be from the lineage of great scientists who initiated extreme change in ancient society. YAKUB's goal was to experiment with human life during a time when only Black or Aboriginal people existed on Earth. He took a critical mass of followers to Patmos Island in the Aegean Sea, where this critical mass practiced negative eugenics. Through annihilating all physical features associated with dominant traits, particularly dark skin, whereas they continued this form of selective mating, producing all of the various races, with the white race being the last. Many have criticized the story, both theologians and academics. However, others have taken research a step further, verifying the conceptual history. Metaphysicist Bobby Hemett brought an alternative approach to the YAKUB story, using the various literature of 20th century European occultists who allude heavily to the reality of genetic engineering being practiced in the ancient world. A similar approach was also taught by the Moorish Science Temple, who taught that Caucasians were the result of YAKUB grafting the chimpanzee and crossbreeding the newly formed Neanderthals with Aboriginal people. Interestingly, these conceptual stories are found in Southern African oral traditions with the tales of Zaharel-e, which chronicles the story of an ancient scientist with an unusually shaped head, who created various savage hominid species. Paralleling traditions are found in an even greater abundance in the Indian subcontinent and the history of the Vanara of the Vedic epics. Note that some Tamil scholars have come forth admitting that the Vanara are indeed the Neanderthals, but in fact Neanderthals do not predate human, contrary to what is taught in mainstream history. Although there's so much Eurocentrism found and currently being exposed in today's mainstream genetic research, the fact that genetic engineering was practiced in the ancient world is soon being acknowledged or verified. Myth or high science? What are your thoughts?